Ready? Start. We find from the immune order of the tribunal that contention raised by the petitioner was that when the period from 7/1/2002 to 14/5/2002 was regularized, treating it as on leave of the kind due and paying him salary for this period could not have been treated as unauthorized absence and no penalty order could have been passed. Stop. The contention is rejected by the tribunal and rightly so. Stop. As pointed out above, when the charge sheet was issued, it was on the allegations that the petitioner was unauthorizedly absent from 7/1/2002 to 14/5/2002. Stop. This charge was proved as well. Stop. On that basis, punishment order was passed. Stop. However, thereafter a question arose. Well, stop. On that basis, punishment order was passed. Stop. However, thereafter a question arose as to how this period is to be treated. Stop. It is for this reason, to safeguard the interest of the petitioner himself so that he does not suffer when his terminal retirement benefits are to be paid, and to regularize this period it was treated as leave of the kind due. Stop. This would not mean that the charge of unauthorized absence, which had already been proved against the petitioner, would get washed away. Stop. Next para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that apart from the aforesaid contention, the petitioner had also argued that the municipal commissioner had imposed the punishment on the same charge of stoppage of one increment with cumulative effect, whereas the disciplinary authority in the Union Territory Chandigarh has now imposed harsher punishment of stoppage of 2 increments. Stop. We do not find from the order of the tribunal that any such argument was raised, as it is neither commented nor dealt with. Stop. Even otherwise, once the order of the municipal commissioner was set aside, it was open to the disciplinary authority to pass any appropriate orders. Stop. At the same time, going by the aforesaid consideration, we permit the petitioner to make a representation to the disciplinary authority to take lenient view, keeping in mind the orders which were passed by the municipal commissioner earlier. Stop. However, we make it clear that the matter would be entirely within the discretion of the appellate authority, and in case the representation of the petitioner is rejected, it will not provide him any fresh cause of action to challenge that order. Stop. The representation, if any, shall be made within 3 days, and the same shall be decided within 1 month thereafter. Stop. Writ petition stands disposed of in the above terms. Stop.